Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make delicious baked jollof rice. So if you're a lover of jollof rice or you've not tested baked jollof rice before, this video is for you. All you need to do is to keep watching, okay? All right, guys, let's begin. First, let's prep our ingredients. Here is the onions. Go ahead and scrape the back, wash it. Transfer on your chopping board in dice, okay? As you can see, we are chopping our onions. Please, you're free to cut your onions the way you want or prefer, okay? All right, guys, at this point, we're done with the onions. Go ahead and set it aside. If you're using a raw tomato, you go ahead and blend it with your peppers, okay? I have already cooked one. So moving on, in a pan, go in with your vegetable oil. You may be wondering why mine is looking this way. Yes, each time I make my stew, the one floating on it, I usually scoop them out, okay? So it's nothing. So once you've added your oil, allow it to heat and go in with your onions. Fry your onions for a minute, and now we are introducing our tomato paste. Afterwards, go ahead and stir to well combine. So you know, the tomato paste is just there to enhance the color of our jollof rice, okay? 2 tablespoons or 1 full tablespoon of it is fine. It depends also the quantity of your rice. We are making use of 2 cups of rice, okay? All right, guys, if you notice, we've added our blended pepper mix. Consists of long pointed peppers, bell peppers, the red one, and a small amount of tomato, fresh one. So we're going to continue frying until it is dry completely. But while that is happening, let's move on. Guys, here is the rest of the ingredients. We have our peppers, our garlic, and ginger. Transfer in your blender and blend them, okay? Please note that you have to fry your tomato paste until the tanginess is no longer there. Fry it until it seems it's burning, okay? Now, introduce some water to enable it blend very well. We want it to blend smoothly, okay? Fasten it on your blender and blend. Now, let's check back on our tomato. Guys, this is after 5 minutes of frying. We still have to fry some more, okay? All right, now go in with your seasoning. Jollof rice, you must season to taste, okay? Go in with your seasoning next. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika, okay? 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme. Afterwards, go ahead and stir to well combine. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, easy chops and snacks, and a lot more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscription button and be part of this amazing family, okay? Thank you. So guys, if you notice, we added some salt. And here we are testing. Perfect. You have to test it to be sure that it is very tasty. Now transfer into your baking pan. Like I was saying, subscribe, okay? I promise you're not going to regret it. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Now we are introducing our well-washed rice. I'm using basmati rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. Please, the one you can afford is fine. Now mix till everything is well incorporated, combined. Let me seize this opportunity to appreciate my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your girl is very, very grateful. Yes, honestly, I am grateful. Thank you for all the love, all the support. Please keep it up. Thank you, guys. At this point, guys, we're done mixing. As you can see, everything is well combined. Now, introduce your garlic ginger pepper mix. The one we blended earlier. Next is your chicken or turkey stock. We are using turkey stock, guys. Pour that in. Pour extra water. Now stir everything to well combine again. If you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do, okay? so that YouTube can recommend my videos to others. Thank you. Now we are going in with more water, extra water. Yes, you need to cover it up a bit. It should be above the rice, okay? Little above the rice. And stir. Like I said, if you've not tested baked rice before, this recipe is for you. Just keep watching. It is super easy, okay? Now we tested and we are adding extra seasoning. 1 cube of it, yeah. And salt. Now stir it in. All right, guys, we are done. So you pop it into your oven and grill until the water is dry. Make sure you check it halfway, okay? Once the water goes down, use your foil paper to cover it up, all right? Until it is dry completely. And there you have it, guys. Our tasty, delicious baked jollof rice is ready. Fluffy, just like you're watching. Oh my, guys, this is a must try. It looks super good. Oh my, I can't wait to test it. And I know you can't wait to try it out. Let's test it, guys. Oh my, look at the color. Beautiful. Guys, it tasted super good. Please give it a go. You will love it. Your family will definitely love it. Now, here is our grilled turkey, guys. We're going to be enjoying it alongside with this delicious, juicy, good-looking turkey wings, guys. Oh my, I'm sure you're salivating. I know. Just try it out and you're good to getting this delicious meal on your dining table. Okay, all you need to do is just to follow the procedure, the process. All right, guys, it is time to plate our dish. Oh my, this recipe is a must try, guys. Do not sleep on this one. Try it out and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you. And we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow for more tasty recipes, okay? All right, guys. Oh, this is looking good. Lovely. So it is time to devour this delicious meal. Come on, guys. Get your spoon. Let's eat it together. There is love in sharing. This tastes super good, guys. Oh, my. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.